Montaño. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, good day. I am Darlene Di Montaño and I am 28 years old from Tantangan, South Cotabato. I am with Divine Partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes ma'am, I have a son aged 2 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters and I am the eldest.
Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a college graduate ma'am of 4-year course, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
No ma'am, but I have work experience here in the Philippines for more than 2 years, from February 2020 to September 2022. I serve 4 members of the family, including a couple and a 6 years old and 10 years old children. My major responsibilities are washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, and cleaning the house, and assessing with marketing, and taking care of the children and their homeworks.
Okay, did you also do the cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am a loving person, and I am a trustworthy and honest. I am also understanding and a loving mother.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 tattoos at the back and on the lower right leg.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
If small dogs, ma'am, I am very okay with that, but with big dogs, I am afraid.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am, I undergo cesarean operation May of 2023.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, because I want to help my family financially and to help my partner save up for the future of our son.
Okay, can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them about it, ma'am, in a very calm voice and while showing them care and support and also comfort them. I know that being naughty and having tantrums is a part of children's development.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.